If you're rocking the Motorola Moto Z2 Play, then here are the top 5 case for your Moto Z2 Play, also known as Moto Z2 Play. So let's get started with the number 5. The number 5 case for your Moto Z2 Play is from Anil, a simple beautiful honeycomb case which is quite grippy, which means the phone is not going to slip off of your hand. And number 4 case is from Lego. I really like the abstract design. Look at the abstract design with a bumper, which means if you drop your phone is going to be fine. And number 3 is from Otterbox. I mean, Otterbox do not need introduction. They build rugged case, they build tough case. Wow, look at the beauty of Otterbox. And number 2, okay, why I'm getting 2 Otterbox case, literally why I'm getting 2 Otterbox case. Okay, number 2 is from not the Otterbox. Okay, let me copy and paste. uh, I don't know, I think there's some problem. The case is this one. Okay, okay, yeah, this one I'm talking about. So the number 2 case is from Ottoman, a simple beautiful case. I mean, look at the beauty of it, you can't go wrong with it. And number 1, my favorite, is from Lenovo. Yes, the case is from Lenovo. Look at it, this is the aluminum bumper case which you can't go wrong with it. So it was me, Gmail Geek. Make sure to subscribe. All of the links are in the description box below. Bye.